Hi everyone, I am here at EBACE in Geneva in Switzerland. We've had an incredible day so far. We've announced the Global 8000. Basically, we've taken over the show. But we have other announcements, and I am here with Anthony Cox. Hi, Anthony.
Hey.
I understand we have some news about Le Bourget, France today.
We have some fantastic news,
Yes.
Ève. It's so exciting. We announced to the world that we've set up an infrastructure at Le Bourget Airport. So this is an amazing facility. It's a line maintenance facility, but it's built out of a heritage hangar, 100 years old. We've rejuvenated the hangar. We've made it look beautiful. It feels like you're in LBCC. So from a customer experience, it's smooth. The entire ecosystem is now complete in France.
And so it's 30,000 square feet.
So that translates to 3 7500s,
Wow.
possibly 6 Challengers, with a full range of services. So we can park aircraft, we can do line maintenance,
Yeah.
is essentially that between heavy maintenance and AOGs.
Tell us a little bit what the footprint is going to look like, starting in Europe and then internationally.
So the footprint's amazing. We've got around 1 million square feet of expansion. So there's 250 aircraft in our facilities today. When we open the Biggin Hill or London facility, we're going to grow that out by another 250,000 square feet. Then we're going to move over and we're going to do a launch in Singapore, and then we're moving down to Melbourne. And that's on top of what we've just done in Paris. So you can see the ecosystem really taking shape.
And that's why we say bring your jet back home.
We're building
Wherever
a home.
is, we have a service center for you.
Yeah, we have a home. We've got fantastic trained people, factory trained, the best tooling, the best equipment, and all of the back-end resources of an OEM.
Amazing facilities. I've seen all of them almost, and they're so beautiful you want to move into them with your jet.
You can come and move
Right?
in there. We'll have you.
Well, you know, as soon as I have my jet, Anthony, count on me, I'll be there.
We'll be ready to service
And
you.
until then, I wish you good luck as you're taking over the world with your CX and all the service centers.
Thank you.
Long live Bombardier.
Thanks.
Thanks.